Welcome to the Jio Customer Associate application process. This video will assist you in understanding the application process of a Jio Customer Associate. Before we start, let's have a look at the overall application process of a Jio Customer Associate. Given on the screen is the overall application process of a Jio Customer Associate. You need to download the Jio Career app and then follow the registration procedure. You then need to search the relevant job profile and apply for the job. Complete the profile details and submit documents. Attempt scheduled tests and video interviews on Jio Career app. You can register yourself through Jio Careers app. All you need to do is download and install the Jio Careers app from the App Store or Play Store. To register, you need to tap on the New User tab. Let's quickly check out the registration process through Jio Careers app. On tapping the New User tab, a registration page will appear. You must enter your first and last name here as per your Aadhaar card. Then enter your email address. It is important to note that the email ID entered here should be active, as this email ID is saved in the system for future use. Similarly, you must enter an active contact number, as this will be the number used for all further communications. Here, you can create a password with a minimum of 8 characters and a maximum of 15 characters. The password must contain at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one digit, and one special character. Enter the date of birth as mentioned in Aadhaar card and the Aadhaar card number. After filling in the required details correctly, tap on Proceed to complete the registration process. Once the registration process is complete, a job search page will appear on the home page. Tap on the job profile. A list of jobs will appear below. Select the profile that you want to apply for and tap Apply Now. Remember that if the profile is not complete with the relevant information and necessary documents, you will not be able to apply for the job. You can apply for the job profile only if your profile is complete. Let's check out the profile creation steps that you need to follow in the Jio Careers app. When using the Jio Careers app to create a profile, you must first tap on the Profile tab and then tap on the plus icon. To add details, go to the Personal Information page and click the Edit icon. Here, enter the required information, upload the resume and then tap on Save. Post personal information, the next section to be updated is Contact Information. You must update your address details in the Contact Information section. Permanent or current address must be as per Aadhaar card. Once the address details are saved in the Jio Careers app, the updated address will appear in the Present Address section. If the present address is the same as the permanent address and emergency address, you must click on the dialog box to copy the same address. Same address will appear in permanent as well as emergency address section. If the address is not same, then press the plus icon to add the new address. The next section to be updated is the Preference Information. When using the Jio Careers app to update the Preference section, tap on the plus icon. Then tap on the Edit icon to enter the professional information. Fill in the required details and then tap on Save to proceed further. Once all the sections contain the required information, your profile is ready to apply for the jobs. Now you can apply for the positions and begin the interview process. To proceed with the interview part, you must tap the Assessment tab in the right-hand corner of the screen. Here, there are 3 options available on the screen. 1. Assess yourself. 2. Schedule test and video interviews. 3. Tap on Assess yourself. You must first tap on Schedule test. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. You have to enter the received OTP and tap Submit. On successful verification, the Jio Customer Associate job role will reflect under the Schedule Test section. Tap on the job profile to start with the assessments. Read the instructions. And then tap on Proceed. Here, you will view the assessment scheduled for you to complete. Tap on Jio Customer Associate Assessment. Give the necessary permissions for recording audio, taking pictures and recording video. Read the instructions before starting the test. Click on I Understand checkbox and tap on Begin Test. This is how the assessment screen will appear. You have to attempt the test, ensuring that your face is visible on the camera window on the top right corner of the screen. To move to the next question, tap on the Next tab. Similarly, you have to answer all the 4 questions. And then tap on Submit Test. After submitting the assessment, you will receive a message stating that the responses were successfully submitted. After passing the mandatory tests, you will be prompted to record 4 videos against the questions. Read the instructions carefully and start the video interview process by tapping on Proceed. You will get some tips on recording the video. Read the instructions carefully before starting the video interview. Before recording the video, keep the following things in mind. Now, tap on Start to begin the video interview process. Following are the 4 video interview questions that you will be asked. Each question will have a specific time limit for recording your response video. The default timing for recording is 60 seconds. Tap on the first question and then switch on the camera icon to record the video. Once the response has been recorded, you can save the video by tapping the green tick button. You can retake and re-record your response if you want to amend your answer. Select Yes when you receive a pop-up asking if you want the video to be uploaded. Question screen appears again. Once the video is saved, you must now tap on the second question and, in a similar manner, record the answers for all the 4 questions. And complete your video assessment. Your application process comes to an end here. After submitting the assessment, you will receive a message stating that the responses were successfully submitted. Hope this video has helped you to understand the application process of a Jio Customer Associate. Thank you.